everyone. In this second video, I am going to become Aurther Clerke and I'm going to speak about his life and his inventions. Aurther Clerke was born on 6th December 1917 and he died on 19th March 2008. Clerke was a lifelong proponent of space travel and he joined the British Interplanetary Society. In 1945, he and his organization proposed a satellite communication system using geostationary orbits. And this is how he looks like. By the way, you must be thinking what he has done much. He invented many things and wrote many books and magazines, and one of them is satellites. This is Sputnik 1, which was created by Aurther Clerke. By the way, why did he even invent a satellite? Go on, you will understand. Satellites are launched into space to do a specific job, and there are 9 different types of satellites. The first one is astronomy satellite. The second one is atmospheric studies satellite. The atmospheric studies satellite helps us to understand the Earth's atmosphere. The third one is communication satellite, which I have invented. The communications satellite helps you to call your friends easily. The fourth one is navigation satellites. The navigation satellites are used to explore the world or the universe. The fifth one is spy satellites. The spy satellites are mostly used by the armies. The armies use it to find out what the other countries or continents are doing to attack our country or continent. The sixth one is remote sensing satellites. The seventh one is research satellites. The research satellites are mostly used to research the planets. The way NASA has sent a satellite onto the Mars to find out if life is possible on Mars. The ninth one is weather satellite. The weather satellite is used to know the weather. And how are you going to know if you have to take the raincoat or the umbrella today? That's all with the help of the weather satellite. And this is how all the 9 satellites look like. By the way, when did I even invent this satellite? Oh yeah, I invented this satellite on 1957 I invented this satellite on October 4th, 1957 and I have launched it on 31st January 1958. By the way, when did I even launch it, or where did I launch it? Oh yeah, now I remember. I have launched this satellite in Complex 26A. And this is the place where we have launched the satellite. Most of the satellites have been launched over there. From here in the heaven, I am able to see that you people are using the satellites a lot and they have brought a big change into the world. And these are the differences I have found. So the first one is that in the olden days, people used to send letters through post. In the 19th century, people sent it through postmen. And before that, in the 18th century, people used to send it through pigeons. The pigeons were trained to send the letters to the receptor. But now, it's not that complex. People just have to open their phone, open the contact, and then call their friends. And in no time they can start talking to their friends. Or you can also mail them or WhatsApp them. At the olden days, people had to inquire to reach their destinations when they come to a new place. But now, you just don't need to worry about the routes. There are Google Maps. You just have to type your present location and then your destination so that you can easily reach your destination. And in no time, the Google Maps will be giving you directions. At that time, people used to look into the telescopes to explore the universe. But then, mostly they used to find wrong theories. The way Aristotle has found out that Earth is flat and the sun revolves around the Earth, which is really and totally wrong. But then, after the satellites have come, we came to know that the Earth is revolving around the sun. So now you just don't need to worry because you have a technological satellite which will never ever give you wrong information. Thank you.